This is the entrance of the canteen. Now it is a lunchtime, 11:30 to 1 o'clock. This is one more very big supermarket where everything is available. There is a grocery shop, and this is a hair cutting salon and all, and then 5G Chera telecom shop for the SIM uploading and all, and that backside is the ground for playing. And then now this is the canteen where we go upstairs. From here we have to go to the upstairs round of the canteen. The canteen place. This is the downstairs. We have a supermarket and grocery shop, and then hair salon, and then mobile shop is there. Here is the canteen. We are entering the canteen. This is also the whole canteen. From here you can see a lot of items. This is hot pot. This is hot pot, you know, where you can put the hot this thing, and then a lot of items are coming from here, and then take and eat. You know, they will give a bowl over here, and this is a heater, and then you can choose the items and put inside and boil and eat. This is called hot pot. There are so many items of chicken, mutton, fish, so many. Yeah, these are, you know, these are the ones. Yeah, and these are all the vegetables which we can take it on the bowl, and then we can give them, and then they will boil and give us. So these are also items. So many. Here they are the noodles. You can see the noodles, and then these are the noodles where we can put in the bowl. And in this bowl we take it in the bowl. In the bowl we take all the things and give them, and then they boil. They will boil and then give us items. This is how they boil. The pot they boil and then give us. This is one Chinese type of dishes. This is another counter, you know, with chicken and then some pig meat and all. Have so many items, and then you bring the food and then give them. So many items. See, you can see the 16 RMB and all. 9, 10, 10, 12, 15. And then there are also items 2 RMB, 3 RMB also. Not so expensive. Yeah, so you can see that we have so many items from there, and then from there, and from there, and here, and then here. So many food counters are there. Potato chips, and then some vegetarian items. You can see this is burgers, and then you can see, yeah, these are the burgers, and you can see so many burgers. And then here the cola burger, just like KFC and McDonald's. You have so many items over there, 14 RMB, 19 RMB, and so many items over here. These are the burger counter. Our students are eating at this time, and you can see there are some meatballs and all, you know. And there are some dosa-like items, you know. Chapatis. This is also a buffet system. You pay the money, you can take all the items. After there, this is chicken is there, and then vegetable and then meat is there. That is chicken and tomato, and then chicken with vegetables, and then this is totally, I think, vegetables, and then this is cabbage. This is another curry. This is another curry for with pork, and then this is vegetables with the cabbage and all. These are all other vegetable food. These are all vegetarian food, and then some little meat is there here. And then this is also meat items. This is totally vegetarian, mushrooms and cauliflower. And then you can see the aloo and chicken. And you can see these are Chinese items where there are different items over here with mushrooms, and this is watermelon. And then students take the buffet and then pay there. Pay at this counter, pay See, this is a canteen where, you know, all the students sit, and then they take these all items as per their choice, and then they go to the this place and then have a seat, and then they eat. This is how the canteen works over here. This is a so big canteen here. 16 RMB, 14 RMB items. There are all the food items in the hot pot, and you can take it on the bowl, and they charge for you, and then immediately you can sit and eat there. Some food are different items, whatever you want. This is totally vegetarian. I think these are paneer items. So now you know that girl has taken the food and then in the bowl all the items, and then this one she will go and boil inside, and then bring it in the what do you say, in the bowl. You know, these are the items she choose. Here all the vegetable items, green vegetables, mushrooms, aloo is also there here. Here there are so many meat items are there. And here also fresh meat. You can see fish is there, omelette is there, and then these are all the tofu items. Tofu means here is the paneer. Yeah. And then these are the items. And then these are the noodles. Everybody come and get it from this bowl. They take and then palapura and so on. You know, all vegetarian items are there. Mushrooms are there. And then cabbage is there. And then paneer is there. These are mushrooms, and then this is noodles, and then this is potato, and so many meat items. After you take it in this bowl, take it everything in this bowl and give to him, give to the person, and then they boil like this. And then after that he is boiling. After boiling he is frying and then giving. These are all the meat items, and then there are the fish and chicken items. These are only fish, you know, the 7 RMB, 3 RMB, 10 RMB. You can see all the students take these items and sit and eat there. Students want to eat the noodles, they boil the noodles, and then after boiling they put different sauces. After boiling the noodles, they are putting in the bowl, and then they are mixing with different spices, and then they mix with the different spices. Different juices. Coconut, and then mango, and so many juices are there. Juices of guava and all, and then there are the juices over here. So many with the mango, the pineapple, and then with the strawberry, etc.
Dalia Newsoft University of Information. Authorized Representative. Mac Tech Edu, an enterprise of Medico Abroad Consultants. Contact mobile number 9959114545.